Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
We're going to call you Fryguy, huh? Yeah. Good to see you, my man. I think I got this camera set so we can have a pretty good look at your left leg, right? And it is definitely swollen and red, and it looks brown in here. Let's see the other leg over here as comparison. Okay, so yeah, there you go. All right, so you have this brownness, and put them both together here for everybody to see. And you're okay if we video your case here for our friends on YouTube, right?
Yes.
All right, so this is old, okay? So this browning or bronzing on the leg is called stasis dermatitis because you have a history of being a big guy and you've retained a lot of fluid over the years, right?
Yes.
And so when red blood cells leak out and they break open at the skin, the pigment, the hemoglobin, right, it will actually rust. Right? So it turns this bronze color. All right, so over here you have something different that's happening, right? Can you turn a little bit for us? Just a little bit, right there. And it's got, so you nicked this somehow on something, and this has become infected, and you can see the redness goes all the way up in through here. So you have some peripheral edema, and I can push on this right here, right? So you can, people can see you still retain fluid quite a bit. And on top of that, the stasis dermatitis, but the most important thing that's happening is this active infection that's occurring here. So we're going to need to give you a shot of ceftriaxone and put you on some trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole, okay? I am going to need to see you back tomorrow.
Okay.
Now you have diabetes, right? Let's see what else we wanted to talk about. Have you had any fevers or chills?
Actually, not yesterday, but the night before, I had quick onset what I thought was flu.
Mm-hmm. Like achiness?
Yeah, achiness, and then from dinner time at 7,
right,
between 7 and 8:30,
right,
I went from feeling just kind of fuzzy with
right,
achiness to full-on chills sitting on the sofa covered up.
Okay. So yeah, so I would say that was fevers and chills. So we're definitely need to be on antibiotics, and we're definitely going to need to see you back tomorrow because we want to be sure you're improving. Because if this redness is not coming down, if it's moving up, we're gonna put you in the hospital, and we don't want to have to do that. So we're going to give you the big shot to kind of get this rolling. Obviously, you're more at risk of this infection for spreading because of the fact that you have diabetes, right? And it makes you kind of an immune suppressed target or an opportunistic target for bacteria. This is almost always staph or strep, so that's where we start. And you do have the oozing there. I want to be sure that you don't put anything on that. Let that go ahead and drain. You can put a dry dressing on it, and I'll have Gumbagene do that for you now too, okay? Do you have any other issues today?
Not today.
Okay, well let's get this knocked out, and hopefully we can turn this around so we don't end up in the hospital. So we'll see you back tomorrow.
Thank you.
Mr. Fryguy, thank you.
Hey folks, this is Watson. I just wanted to let you know that there is now a 1-year supply of Meta 7 available on Amazon at a huge discounted price. That's right, get America's best energy supplement for a bigger discount than ever. Retail price on 4 bottles is $360. Get it on Amazon for only $260 while supplies last. That's $100 off the retail price. Pick up yours today, it won't last long. Check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit. It's compact in size with a leather case, perfect for traveling, and available on Amazon for under $20. See link below.